In this lesson, I'll go over the top 5 veggies that professional juicers go to most: carrots, celery, cucumber, beets, and tomatoes. I break juicers down into beginner, intermediate, and professional like this. Beginners are those who are looking to add raw juicing to their daily meal plan. Intermediates juice daily on a regular basis. Professionals are those who bulk juice daily. Their refrigerator is their juicer, so to speak. Often professionals are vegan or vegetarian, eat organic whole foods, and they're juicing whole foods from their organic gardens. Intermediates are probably looking to start a juice garden, or they already have one. I look to the top level master juicers to see what they do so I can improve my skills. So to begin with, carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which helps protect the body from cataract and macular degeneration. If I were to associate carrots with one word, it would be eyes. They are easy to juice in both juicers and they make a good base juice. I usually juice them first. Celery is high in silicone, which helps strengthen joints, bones, arteries, and connective tissue. The one word I associate celery with is joints. A mono juice of just celery is very refreshing and hydrating. Celery is very fibrous though, and it can clog your juicer, so you want to juice it last. If the juicer does get clogged, you can try some water to clear it out, or juice some lemons and cucumbers after the celery. Because of the high content of water, it'll clear it out. Cucumbers contain potassium and phytosterols that can help lower cholesterol. With just one word to associate the cucumber, it would be cholesterol. They're also waxed, but washing in baking soda and water will clean it off. Cucumbers alone make for a tasty summer drink. In studies, beets have shown to help oxygenate blood, so the one word I associate with beets is blood, and that should be easy to remember: beet red. Tomatoes have lycopene, which promotes overall mental and physical health. Tomatoes make for a very wholesome drink, and when mixed with carrots, celery, beets, parsley, lettuce, watercress, and spinach, you have your own V8 juice. So that covers the veggies. Next up, I'll go over the top 5 fruits.